Hello, today I will be talking about my chosen topic, approach behaviors. We'll go over why they're used and different ways that we can use them daily. First, it is important to understand what approach behaviors are. Approach behaviors are defined in our textbook in Chapter 9 on page 297 as communication behaviors that signal interest in someone else. An approach behavior can be a verbal statement or a nonverbal action. We use these communication behaviors to express our desire to get to know others. Attraction theory predicts that these behaviors are a result of physical, social, or task attraction. The uncertainty reduction theory predicts that these behaviors are the result of our desire to collect information about someone to reduce our uncertainty about them. With this theory, the less uncertainty that we have about someone, the more we're going to be liking them. Our third and final theory that we are given to understand motivation towards communication behaviors is the predicted outcome value theory. This theory predicts that approach behaviors are motivated to form relationships with others only when the initial information that we know about them is positive. It is important to look at all different examples to understand all of the different ways that approach behaviors can be present in our daily lives. In my own words, approach behaviors are any communication behaviors that are exhibited with the motive of showing interest with or coming closer to another person. We can see approach behaviors in many different ways and in many different settings. For example, in the workplace, we may see task attraction between two employees who are given the task of working on a project together. This attraction that they have might motivate them to engage in an approach behavior, such as introducing themselves or asking to meet up on a work project to work on their project. Another example from personal experience comes from social attraction between peers. Maybe you hear someone in your class talking about something you really like, a band, a TV show. This mutual interest might motivate you to engage in an approach behavior to get to know this person better. You may go talk to them about the band or TV show or other interests that they have. The last example that I have is a hypothetical that I feel is common in movies and TV shows. Let's say two people have a physical attraction towards each other. Because of this attraction, they may signal each other approach behaviors. They might maintain eye contact, smile at each other, or introduce themselves to do this. In conclusion, approach behaviors are any communication behaviors that are used to signal an interest in another person. An approach behavior can be verbal or nonverbal, and it can be motivated by a few different things. In order to better understand approach behaviors, we've discussed what they are, why they're used, and a few different examples of where and how they might happen in our daily lives. Thank you for your time.